8.7, the pizza spot. This is horrible. This is a 9.2. Friendlier. There's no flavor whatsoever. That's how it's done. Okay, folks, we are here at yet another pizza review. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're at a place called DoughBoys, and their address is 829 Southeast 17th Street in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Now, they've been here a very, very long time. 38 years in this one location. People inside, pretty nice. Not so knowledgeable on their product, but that's okay. We'll give them a pass. Cleanliness. If I were to score on cleanliness alone before I even look at or taste the pizza, I'd have to give it a 6.5. I'm a stickler about cleanliness. A place should be immaculate, especially a place that makes food. It's very simple. It doesn't mean that the food is dirty or the kitchen is dirty. It's just the appearance. If your windows and your door is dirty when people walk in, it gives a bad impression. Now, that being said, I'm still going to try to give them a fair review on their food. And I need you to like and subscribe to my channel each and every time I get a new subscriber. It helps me to continue bringing you all the food reviews that I do. Let's take a look at their pizza. Here it is. It's a very thick slice. Well done on the bottom, as you can see. I see a little grease. That's not always a terrible thing. That can be olive oil. Okay, so right off the bat, you'll notice it doesn't break when I fold it. There's that pliability that some people like. I am not a fan of pliable pizza. The sauce to cheese ratio looks pretty balanced. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so you see right off the bat, I took one bite of the pizza itself and a bite of the crust, and I stopped. What does that mean? It means I'm not too happy. The cheese is not the grande. It's not a high quality cheese, I can tell right away. The sauce, although they're using a high quality sauce, something may have gone wrong in the making, the blending of the sauce. I asked for it well done. It wasn't very well done because it didn't break when I folded it. So there you've got a system there that's going downhill. Something is going wrong. It can be sometimes when a place has been here so many years like this, 38 years, they become complacent. As when it comes to a newer place, they're really into it and on top of their game. I'm not too pleased with this place. Unfortunately, their pizza alone, I'm going to have to give their pizza a 6.7. I'm sorry, guys. I will give you a chance to redeem yourselves when I come back to do a meatball review. But for the pizza, I'm sorry. That's the best I can do. That's a real pizza review by a real Italian. DoughBoys.